Hi students, good morning and welcome to the new episode of our English class. In the previous class we discussed about the fifth chapter. Our fifth chapter's name is Clever Freddy, F-R-E-D-D-Y, Freddy, F-R-E-D-D-Y, Freddy, and Clever Freddy. What is the specialty of Freddy? He is clever. Freddy is very clever. Who is Freddy? Who is Freddy? Okay. Then the story happens in the jungle. Jungle means forest. This story happens in the jungle, and there is a frog in the jungle, and its name is Freddy. The frog's name is Freddy, and the name of the tiger is Sheru. Sheru and Freddy. Sheru, tiger. And who is the frog? Frog. F-R-O-G. Who is the frog? Freddy the frog. Freddy the frog. We completed our chapter in the previous class, and we have to discuss the question answers from this chapter. Okay. We have to discuss and then we have to say the summary once more. Who is Freddy? The first question is, who is Freddy? Who is, as you are studying in first standard, it is not very easy for you to study these questions, so I am explaining this in the class. Okay. Who is Freddy? F-R-E-D-D-Y. Who is Freddy? Can you say the answer? Who is Freddy? Who is Freddy? Freddy is a frog. Freddy is a frog. F, say the spelling loudly. R-E-D-D-Y. Freddy is a frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. This is the first question answer. You please listen here. You need not to write this in your notebook. The notes will continue in the WhatsApp. Okay. Who is Freddy? I am explaining these question answers for you to study. Okay. Who is Freddy? Who is Freddy? Say the answer loudly. Freddy is a frog. Freddy is a frog. When I am explaining the question answers, you have to listen carefully. Otherwise, you don't understand the meaning of the question answers. Who is Freddy? Say the question loudly. Who is Freddy? Freddy is a frog. Freddy is a frog. Freddy is a frog. Who is Freddy? Freddy is a frog. Did you study it? F-R-E-D-D-Y. Freddy. Say the spelling and the word loudly. F-R-E-D-D-Y. Freddy. Freddy is a frog. Say it loudly. Freddy is a frog. Then the second question is, how did he like to play? How did he like to play? H-O-W. How do we pronounce this word? How. H-O-W. How did D-I-D. How did he? Who is the he? Freddy. How did he like to play? Likes to play. How did he like to play? How did he like to play? He liked to play near the pond. He is playing near the pond. And how did he like to play? He jumps into the pool and then jumps out into the muddy water. He likes to jump into the pool. He liked, L-I-K-E-D. Here look at the question. How did he like? Did plus like is like. Here, past tense. He liked to play. He liked to jump into the pond. Jump. J-U-M-B. He liked to jump into the pool. Into the pool. He liked to jump into the pool and then jump out into the muddy water. And then, it's a lengthy one. You please listen carefully. And then jump out. J-U-M-P. Jump out into the water. Okay, this is the answer. And you please listen here. He liked to jump. Who is the he here? Freddy. Freddy liked to jump into the pool. Then at first he liked to jump into the pool. Then later jump out into the muddy water. Jump out into the muddy water. That was his like. Okay, is it clear? How did he like to play? How did he like to play? How means any. Did he like to play? How did he like to play? He liked to jump into the pool. The answer. He liked to jump into the pool and then jump out into the muddy water. That was his like. Okay. He liked to jump into the pool. Then he liked to jump out into the muddy water. In the pool there is fresh water and in the outside the pool there was muddy water. Space is there, the full of muddy water. Then the frog. Who is the frog here? Freddy. Freddy is the frog and Freddy likes to jump into the pool then jump out into the muddy water. That was his fish. Okay, is it clear? Next one, next question. What was Sheru doing? Next question, third question. Listen here. What was W-H-A-T? What was W-S? Was Sheru. Who is Sheru? Sheru is the tiger. Sheru is the tiger. What was Sheru doing? What was Sheru doing? That is the question. What was Sheru doing? At first, what was Sheru doing? Sheru was resting behind the bushes. Sheru, the tiger, was resting. He was taking rest behind. Where he was taking rest? Behind the bushes. The answer is Sheru was S-H-E-R-U. Sheru. Say the spelling of the word. Sheru was resting. R-E-S-T-I-N-G. Resting. Sheru was resting behind the bushes. Where he was resting? Behind the bushes. Sheru was resting behind the bushes. Okay, what was Sheru doing? What was Sheru doing at the beginning of the story? Sheru was resting. Sheru was resting. Where was he resting? Sheru was resting behind the bushes. Sheru was resting behind the bushes. Okay, is it clear? I am going to read the 3 question answers once more. You please listen. Who is Freddy? Say the answer loudly. Who is Freddy? Freddy is a frog. Freddy is a clever frog. We can say that Freddy is a clever frog. Freddy is a clever frog. C-L-E-V-E-R. Clever frog. Freddy is a clever frog. Freddy is a clever frog. The next one. How did he like to play? How did Freddy like to play? Freddy liked to jump into the pool. The answer is a long one. You please listen. Freddy liked to jump into the pool and then into the muddy water. At first, Freddy liked to jump into the pool and then he liked to jump out into the muddy water. That was his way of playing. That was the way of playing. Who is playing there? Freddy is playing there. Where is he playing? He is playing near the pond. Freddy is playing near the pond. Okay, third question. What was Sheru doing? Who was Sheru? Sheru was the tiger. Sheru was the tiger. What was Sheru doing? Sheru was resting. Sheru was resting. Sheru was resting. Where? Sheru was resting behind the bushes. Okay, is it clear? Then let us look into the other question. Fourth question. Which is the fourth question? Look at page number 42. Why did Sheru, was Sheru afraid? Was Freddy afraid of Sheru? Fourth question. Was Freddy, spelling F-R-E-D-D-Y. Was Freddy afraid of Sheru? A-F-R-A-I-D. Afraid. Was Sheru afraid of Freddy? Afraid of, sorry, was Freddy afraid of Sheru? S-H-E-R-U. Sheru. Was Freddy afraid of Sheru? It is the question. Was Freddy afraid of Sheru? Yes, really Freddy was afraid of Sheru, but he showed bravery. He know very well that if he did not be brave, he will be eaten by the tiger. He will be eaten by the tiger. That was the condition. At first he was afraid of Sheru. Yes. Was Freddy afraid of Sheru? Yes. Y-E-S. Then comma. First word yes. Ade. Then comma. Freddy was afraid of Sheru. Freddy was afraid of A-F-R-A-I-D. Afraid of Sheru. Which is the fourth question? Was Freddy afraid of Sheru? Was Freddy afraid of Sheru? Yes, Freddy was afraid of Sheru. Really, Freddy was afraid of Sheru. Really, Freddy was afraid of Sheru. The question is, was Freddy afraid of Sheru? Answer, yes, Freddy was afraid of Sheru. Fifth question, why did Sheru let Freddy go for a bath? Why did, fifth question, why did Sheru let, means allowed. Why did Sheru let Freddy, why did Sheru let Freddy go for a bath? Go for a bath. Why did Sheru let Freddy go for a bath? What was the reason? Sheru let Freddy go for a bath because his body, his skin was covered, his body was covered with the mud. His body was covered with the mud. Sheru let Freddy go for a bath. Go for a bath because Sheru let Freddy go for a bath because his body was covered with mud. His body was covered with mud. M-U-D, mud. His body was covered with the mud. The answer is a lengthy one. You please listen here. Sheru let Freddy go for a bath. That is here in the question that you need not to study because that was in the question. Sheru let Freddy go for a bath because here came the answer. because എന്തുകൊണ്ടെന്നാൽ his body was covered with mud. His body was covered with the mud. This is the fourth and fifth question. You once again listen here. Was Freddy afraid of Sheru? Was Freddy afraid of Sheru? Yes, Freddy was afraid of Sheru. The answer is yes. Freddy was afraid of Sheru. Yes, Freddy was afraid of Sheru. Then the next question. Why did Sheru let Freddy go for a bath? Why did Sheru let? It means allowed. Why did plus that? Allowed. Then Sheru let Freddy to go for a bath because his body was covered with the mud. His body was covered with the mud. That is the question and answers from the text. Let us look at some other questions also. Okay. Why was Sheru afraid of eating Freddy? First one. Why was Sheru afraid of eating Freddy? Eating Why was Sheru afraid of eating Freddy? Why don't Sheru eat Freddy at the first time? At the first time, why was Sheru afraid of eating Freddy? Sheru was afraid of eating Freddy because he had suffered from a stomach upset recently. Sheru had, the answer is Sheru had suffered from a stomach pain recently. Sheru had suffered, S-U-F-F-E-R-E-D, suffered from a stomach upset, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach upset means pain. Here simply we can say that stomach pain. Stomach pain recently. Pain recently. Recently means in the near past. Pain recently. Okay. Sheru had suffered from a stomach upset recently. Why was Sheru afraid of eating Freddy? Sheru had suffered. That means Sheru suffered. Recently Sheru suffered. In the immediate past, he was suffering from a stomach problem. He was suffering from a stomach problem. So he refused to eat Freddy at the first time. That means before bathing. Why was Sheru afraid of eating Freddy? Sheru had suffered from a stomach pain recently. Sheru had suffered from a stomach pain recently. The next question. What did Freddy do? Next question. What did Freddy do to escape from Sheru? What did Freddy do to escape from Sheru? To save his life from Sheru? goes and jumps into the water. Freddy jumps in the water. Jumped into the water. Sheru jumped into the water. Freddy jumped into the water. Into the pool. Goes underwater. Goes. Went. Jumps into the pool. Jumped into the pool. Went underwater. Jumped underwater. And then disappeared. Sheru jumped into the pool, went underwater, and then disappeared. Okay, how did Sheru escape from the? What did Freddy do to escape from Sheru? What did Freddy do to escape from Sheru? Freddy jumped into the water. At first, who was looking from the pond near the pond? Sheru was looking into the pond. She thinks that Freddy will go into the pond and then will wash himself and come to him for eating. But Freddy was a clever one and he jumped into the water, then goes underwater and then disappeared from there. He jumped into the water, then went underwater and then disappeared. 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 Okay, these are the question answers from this chapter. Then we have to look at the meaning of the tough words. The first word is, which is the first word? Croak. C-R-O-A-K. Croak. What is the meaning of croak? The sound made by a frog. Utter deep sound made by a frog. Utter deep is not a good sound. It is utter, U-T-T-E-R. Utter deep sound. Utter deep, D-E-E-P. Deep H-O-A-R-S-E. Utter deep sound. S-O-U-N-D sound. Utter deep sound made by a frog. Made by M-A-D-E. Made by a frog. By a frog. What is croaking? What is croaking? C-R-O-A-K. Croak means utter deep sound made by a frog. The meaning of pounce. Next word is pounce. P-O-U-N-C-E. Pounce. The meaning of pounce. Pounce means jump to attack. Jump to attack. J-U-M-P. Jump to attack. A-T-T-A-C-K. Jump to attack. What is the meaning of pounce? Jump to attack. J-U-M-P. Jump to attack. Pounce means jump to attack. Okay. Croak means utter deep sound made by a frog. Utter deep sound made by a frog is croak. Then pounce means jump to attack. Pounce means jump to attack. Next one. We have to make some sentences with the words from this passage. animals are resting. The animals are resting in the afternoon. Resting in the afternoon. AFTERNOON. The animals are resting in the afternoon. Then the word is resting. The animals are resting in the afternoon. Animals are resting in the afternoon. Beware. Next word, beware means be careful. Beware. Beware. Beware of dogs while playing outside. While playing outside. Okay, listen to the sentence. Beware. Beware of dogs while playing outside. This is the sentence. Beware. Beware of dogs while playing outside. Beware of dogs while playing outside. This is the sentence. Beware of dogs while playing outside. Okay, we can make a sentence with the word beware. Beware of dogs while playing outside. Next one is enjoy. 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 We are we had seen that Freddie was enjoying himself. Freddie was enjoying himself. We had seen that Freddie was enjoying himself. We had seen that Freddie was enjoying himself. Freddie enjoyed himself. We had seen that Freddie enjoyed, or we can write a simple sentence. We enjoy playing in the park. We enjoy to play 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 in the park. Next one. Behind. 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 Behind means at the back. Behind. Behind. Okay. Yes. Say a sentence with behind. My brother is hiding behind the curtain. Hiding behind the curtain. hiding behind the. My brother is hiding behind the curtain. My brother is hiding behind the curtain. Behind, B-E-H-I-N-D. My brother is hiding behind the curtain. My brother is hiding behind the curtain. One more word, quickly. Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y. Quickly. We will come back quickly. Come back quickly. We will come back Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y quickly. Thus, we have done so many words and then speaking, and our chapter is over. In the next class, we have to do the comprehension in the text. The most important thing is reading. Text reading is very important. You have to read the text so many times. I am telling all these things, the question answer